Tamil Nadu, where the suspense, well, if you can really call it that anymore, over Rajinikanth's political plunge continues. I happened to be in Chennai 2 years ago on New Year when when Rajinikanth Talaivar said that he will contest elections and he will start a political party. 2 years later, nothing of the kind. Rajinikanth met his senior Rajni Makkal Mandram members VM Sudhakar at his Poise Garden residence this morning. The meeting came as a follow-up to the meeting that Rajni had with district secretaries of his institutional fan club on Monday. Rajni had yesterday said that he will take a decision on entering politics as soon as possible. This is probably the 10th or 15th time that he's actually said this in the last 2 years. Office bearers of his fan club had signaled that an announcement would be made by today, but there is no word from the superstar just yet, and I'm not sure anybody is really holding their breath anymore.
From whatever we hear, there are indications that Mr. Rajinikanth may possibly be announcing an entry into active politics. Now, whether that is in the form of immediately starting a party, whether that is in the form of contesting the elections, whether that is in the form of forming an alliance, all of this is really not known at this point. But there are a few reliable sources who seem to indicate that such a plan may be in the offing, and that such a decision may be announced certainly on or before 12th December, which is his birthday.
Well, here's what Rajinikanth had said yesterday after meeting district secretaries of his fan club.
அவங்களுடைய கருத்து எல்லாம் நம்ம கிட்ட வந்து சொன்னாங்க. நானும் என்னுடைய பார்வை அவர்கிட்ட வந்து பறந்துக்கிட்டேன். ஸோ நீங்கள் எந்த முடிவு எடுத்தாலும் நாங்கள் உங்கள் கூட இருக்கோம் அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு அவங்க வந்து சொல்லியிருக்காங்க. நான் வந்து என்னுடைய முடிவை வந்து எவ்வளோ சீக்கிரம் முடியுமோ அவ்வளோ சீக்கிரம் தெரிவிக்கிறேன்.
Let's bring in India Today's Akshaya Nath reporting from Chennai. Akshaya, there was supposed to have been word by the end of day today, from Rajinikanth about his decision. What's going on? You and I were both there when he'd made that announcement 2 years ago about taking the political plunge. We've heard nothing but prevarication and delays and vagary from Rajinikanth since then. I certainly am not holding my breath. What are you hearing?
Well, Shiv, we seem to be having a kind of a positive vibe from the Rajni Makkal Mandram end. Till now, there were a lot of doubts and uncertainties, but now talking to most of the Rajni Makkal Mandram members, we're getting to have a feeling that there might be a positive news coming in the way very soon. In the next yesterday it was informed that in the 24 to 48 hours that were to come, Rajni will have a proper statement either via social media or through a press conference. But social media is most likely is what most of his close aides are telling us, and it will be a decisive answer, whether it's a yes or a no, will be conclusively made is what we're being told, Shiv. But from the optimism that we're seeing among the Rajni Makkal Mandram members and the kind of conversation Rajinikanth had with his welfare association workers, it seems like it is aligning towards a place where he might start a party, and as per his previous plans, he might be only heading the party while somebody else will lead the governance. There were also talks about how many should we get into an alliance. Those kind of conversations were there yesterday is what close sources from RMM are talking about. So, it seems like, almost after 3 years, Rajinikanth slowly but steadily is coming to a conclusive decision on his political entry. It's already too late, Shiv, just 5 months to go before the elections. And he also has a pipeline of projects that are yet to be completed. One of his pet projects, another, is going to get into shoot from, January. So we need to really understand and figure out how Rajinikanth will be able to manage his films as well as his political venture. So, this is a tough situation. We really need to understand what kind of a scenario is panning out for the superstar in politics, Shiv.
There was also a comment from Kamala Hassan earlier today, Akshaya, about Rajinikanth's health. We've been hearing about his health. He's commented on it. Before that, there were rumors as well. How much is Rajinikanth's health going to be, a consideration before whatever announcement he makes?
Well, it will be a high priority, Shiv, because we need to understand that he's 70 years old. On December 12th, he will turn 70. So, that is something that we cannot, set aside. And he himself has hinted it in a multiple occasions, especially on the March 2020 event where he spoke to the press and he said that he doesn't want to be a chief minister, but only head a party which will do good for the people. That time again, he had reiterated that, he's 70 years old. He had an opportunity to enter politics 25 years back, but then he was not power hungry. Now again, he isn't. So, these statements have been made by Rajni as well. And Kamal Haasan today, while addressing the press, very clearly stated that his good friend Rajnikant is more important to him than his political venture. Rajini's health is more priority than thinking about whether Rajini will enter politics or not. And if or not Rajini enter politics, Kamal Haasan will stand by him and support him, was what Kamal had to say during the press conference. So one thing is very clear, Shiv, that the health concerns that were reported by India Today of Rajnikant a couple of months back is very much still persisting. But, interesting would be to understand what kind of move would Rajnikant have in the next couple of days. December 12th is a day that we'll all be watching out for because that is Rajnikant's birthday. And prior to that, there will be a little more clarity according to his political venture, is something that we're given to understand at this point of time, Shiv.
Thanks, Akshaya. Nobody's holding their breath, but we're hoping still for clarity from Talaivar. After all, he is superstar Rajnikant. So how can we not be interested? We will always be interested. Let's wait to see if he gives us some clarity today.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.